So children's prayers are something that is actually an idea that I got from Reverend Lori Welke at Mayflower UCC in Oklahoma City. So this is something we actually have not been doing. Full disclosure, we have not been doing these as much lately for a variety of reasons. But they're such a cool experience that I still wanted to share them with you today. So basically, they're a time to allow children to share prayers with the church about something that's meaningful to them. So what we do is we approach children to ask if they would like to do a children's prayer. And then they write the prayer and they deliver it. And so the way this looks is I will just, go to different children and ask them if they would like to do this, of course, with their parents involved as well. And then we schedule a time that I meet one-on-one with them in a public setting, of course, and then we write their prayer. So we'll go get frozen yogurt, or we'll go get hot chocolate or whatever. And we sit down, we write their prayer. It can be about any topic that's important to them. I ask them what's important to them, what they feel like they want to pray about. We sometimes do a little bit of research on it, but usually using the information that the child already knows. And then we write a prayer together. So we talk about what are things that you think God could help with for this. How do we want God to help us with this? What are things that you think other people need to know about this topic? Just kind of thinking about different things to get the child thinking about this topic as something that they can bring to God and that they can bring to their congregation to bring to God. And so we write the prayer together, and we usually do that a couple weeks out so they have time to practice if they want to. And then I'll have them meet me at the sanctuary a little bit early that morning so that they can practice it in front of the microphone. Because again, the microphone can be a little intimidating to kids. And also, I'm sure is the case in many of your churches that sometimes the microphone takes its own skill set to use correctly to make sure that people can be heard. And then, of course, we practice things like not reading too quickly and speaking at the right volume and all these things. And so these are something that in creating this presentation, I was like, we got to start finding a way to bring these back because so for example, this is my son who was giving his, he talked about video game addiction. So that was something that was, he'd been learning about and was important to him. And so he gave a prayer about video game addiction. And so this is given during our church service during the opening prayer. And so that way the congregation gets to hear from one of our kids and hears about a topic that's important to them, probably not a topic a lot of our adults had been thinking about. And he got a chance to lead the congregation in a prayer.